Okay, boys and girls, it is time for our science lesson. We're on lesson 74. We're going to be talking about birds' nests and birds' eggs today. Last week we talked about the different shape of a bird's beak or bill, and it told about the different types of food that birds eat and just how birds' beaks and bills look different. Their eggs and nests also have look different, have different shapes and different sizes. So I'm going to show you this photo card. This is a picture of a robin's nest, and there are 3 eggs in there. So let's get to reading about birds' nests and eggs. On page 9, we're at paragraph 1 in your booklet. The page should look like this. All right, follow along as I read aloud. Most birds build nests so that they can lay eggs and raise their young. Different kinds of birds build different kinds of nests. Most birds make nests in twigs, grass, and leaves. These nests are usually shaped like a bowl. Birds build their nests in branches of trees, in holes, on ledges, on the ground, in birdhouses, or in buildings. Boys and girls, why do birds build nests? If you said to lay eggs and raise their young, you are exactly right. And what are most nests made of? What are most nests made of? Let's look. What does it look like this nest is made of? Do you think twigs and dried grass? Maybe some leaves? That's correct. I want you to highlight the 3rd sentence in paragraph 1 that says, most birds make nests of twigs, grass, and leaves. Twigs, grass, and leaves. And what is the usual shape of a nest? Bowl. Yes, it is bowl shaped. In the 4th sentence, I want you to highlight or circle the word bowl, B-O-W-L. And where do birds build their nests, boys and girls? Look at the very last sentence and highlight that. Birds build their nests in branches of trees, holes, on ledges, on the ground, in birdhouses, or in buildings. So make sure you highlight that last sentence. And I will tell you that there are a few birds that lay eggs directly on the ground without even building a nest. So let's find out about birds' eggs. Follow along as I read paragraph 2. Female birds lay eggs in the nest. Most birds lay between 2 and 8 eggs. A group of eggs is called a clutch. A group of eggs is called a clutch. That is our vocabulary word, C-L-U-T-C-H. Each type of bird has an egg that looks different from the other bird's eggs. Most parents take turns sitting on the eggs to keep them warm until they hatch. This is called incubating the eggs. Okay, so we have 2 really important words in that paragraph. Clutch and incubating, and we know that they are important because they are bold, okay? How many eggs do most birds lay? If you said between 2 and 8, you are correct. Highlight the 2nd sentence in paragraph 2 that says, most birds lay between 2 and 8 eggs. Point to the sentence that tells us what a group of eggs is called. What is a group of eggs called? If you said clutch, you are correct. Clutch. Very good. A group of eggs is called a clutch. Highlight that sentence. It is the 3rd sentence. A group of eggs is called a clutch. Boys and girls, do all eggs look alike? Do all eggs look just like this? Well, we know that's not true. We have eggs in our refrigerator, and they certainly aren't blue, are they? So no, all eggs do not look alike. Boys and girls, what do the parents do until the eggs hatch? What do they do? Yes, they take turns sitting on the eggs to keep them warm, and this is called incubating. This is called incubating the eggs, okay? So make sure you highlight the last sentence. Well, the last two sentences. Most parents take turns sitting on the eggs to keep them warm until they hatch, and this is called incubating. So boys and girls, at the bottom of your booklet, I want you to draw the nest of a robin, and I would like for you to draw 3 little blue eggs in there. If you want to pause this, so get your colored pencils out, and you will draw a nest and 3 little blue eggs, and right here it will say the nest of a, and you will write robin, robin, R-O-B-I-N, robin. And then I want you to complete the lesson review that goes along with this, the lesson review 74 for me, please. And I think that's it for the day.